guys.
Hi guys.
I don't see the camera. Where is it? Please, camera go. Open it. Hello. Open it.
Open it.
Yes. But did I got this?
That's yours. It's mine.
Who gave this to us?
Next.
Of course, Mom and Dad. Yeah.
It's cute. La la la. It's cute. This is a cute and
This one.
and this is super cute. And she's pretty. I
Oh,
can
yeah.
make it. I can name it Jojo.
Oh, this is me. I'm gonna name it Puppy from the Wild Child.
And this one is
Yeah, this is me, just me. It's Chewy.
it is Cheska.
So, let's open it. Rock, paper, scissors. Who comes first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, no, I came first. So first I'm gonna open mine. So, oh, where is it?
I'm so excited to open mine. It's so cute.
Oh no!
Oh god.
I wanted mine.
It's good. It's normal because it's
Yeah, it's cute.
Oh, I thought it was stick into that box, but it has a plastic in her own.
It's good. It's cool. Yeah. Oh no! It's ruined! I think this is fake.
And
It's not real.
I'm gonna open mine.
Yeah.
It's not forcing to the bags, but it comes with her own plastic.
Can I see your scene? Oh. It is cute. Look. This is a bed and this and mine's this. Bunk. It's a door. Bed. And the door. And it's good. You see?
You'll see it has a hot, a lamp, a chair, another lamp, a vanity, and a chair again, and makeups.
Mine got a closet, a door, a bank, a lamp, a vanity and picture frames, perfumes, and some designs. It's not really cool, but it's good. We can play with it. Yeah. After that, I should.
Oh, let me get my stuff.
So, all the time. Wait, I'll tell you what was cool. And it's so cute. So cute. You told me and Mom bought it. And Mom bought it for me? Oh, that's so cute. Mom loves us. Mom doesn't hate us anymore. So, guys, bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Bye. Pause. Cut. Oh no! Oh no! It's already ruined, ha! It's good. Bro, I want to no, bro. Oh no! I got a sexy body. Yeah! Bikini and a sexy body. I got a polka dots in it. Bye.